The next Supreme Court justice could be confirmed by this afternoon. Late last night, Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer announced that the Senate has reached an agreement to hold a confirmation vote for Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson this afternoon. The vote to end debate on the nomination is set for 11:45 a.m. Eastern, followed by the final confirmation vote around 1:45 p.m. Once confirmed, Judge Jackson would become the first black woman to sit on the nation's highest court.
It will be a joyous day. Joyous for the Senate, joyous for the Supreme Court, joyous for America. While we still have a long way to go, America tomorrow will take a giant step to becoming a more perfect nation.
The Senate is expected to confirm Judge Jackson's nomination. 3 Republican senators, Susan Collins, Mitt Romney, and Lisa Murkowski, have already announced they will vote for Jackson's nomination, ensuring a bipartisan vote. NBC News Capitol Hill correspondent Leigh Caldwell joins us now with the latest on this. So, Leigh, what can we expect today? And are there any senators you're still keeping an eye on?
Good morning, Joe. There actually aren't any senators we're still keeping an eye on because there was a vote earlier this week to discharge Judge Jackson's nomination out of the committee process. And so all the senators had to vote on that. And so that is when we found out that Senator Lisa Murkowski, Senator Mitt Romney, 2 more Republicans were going to vote for her. So everyone is already on the record. Of course, people could shift their votes, but that's not really expected. So this is going to be a bipartisan nomination. 3 Republicans will join all Democrats. And Judge Jackson will be confirmed in what is considered a very historic nomination, Joe.
Yeah, Leanne, and then what happens after that? How soon could it be before she does take her seat on the Supreme Court?
Well, the person she's replacing, Justice Breyer, has indicated that he's going to finish out the Supreme Court's term, which usually ends in June or July. And so she won't start until the Supreme Court starts again in the fall. So Judge Jackson the hard work is behind her now. Now she going to have a little bit of a honeymoon period, enjoy her time as upcoming Supreme Court justice. And also, this will be the first time not only that a black woman will sit on the court, but this will also be the first time that the court in its entire history will be a majority of women, Joe.
And finally, while we have you, Leanne, let's quickly turn to the January 6th committee. We know that the House voted to refer 2 former Trump aides, Peter Navarro and Dan Scavino, to the Justice Department for criminal contempt of Congress. Both have ignored subpoenas from the committee. So what happens next, and what are the odds that the DOJ does pursue charges here?
Yeah, just 2 Republicans joined all Democrats. Of course, those 2 Republicans were the 2 Republicans on the January 6th Select Committee, Liz Cheney and Adam Kinzinger. And so Scavino and Navarro's referrals go to the Justice Department, like you said, joins Steve Bannon's and Mark Meadows as well. And they're going to have to wait to see what the Justice Department does with it. The Justice Department is going to examine the case. They have indicted Steve Bannon. They have not yet acted on Mark Meadows. And so the Justice Department process is relatively slow. Members of Congress are pressuring the Justice Department to act, or else these contempt referrals don't mean a lot. But there's a really interesting point here, too. Because they referred to the Justice Department for contempt, it does not compel them to comply with the January 6th Select Committee and their information request. And so while that's why the committee thinks it is so important for the Justice Department to act, or else there's incentive for people not to cooperate, Joe.
All right. Leanne Caldwell. Leanne, thanks so much.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.